Hey y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together.
And we're back. We're back.
Again. What's that, the robot?
Anywho, all right. So we are back with another Catoctin Creek specialty here. Very excited.
Yeah.
So this one is featuring their gin. Yes, they make gin too.
Yes.
And this is called the Bijou. Bijou. I think that's how it's pronounced. Bijou. Okay. I hope I said it right. So let's go ahead and run through these ingredients so you know everything that you need. And maybe you want to make this along with us. I don't know. Do you, boo? Okay. So gin, green chartreuse. That's that guy right there. Remember, there was a whole spiel about that a couple of episodes ago. Go find it.
Savor it.
Okay. Well, I'm lying. We'll link it. We'll link it for you.
Yeah.
Sweet vermouth, orange bitters, and we will be garnishing with maraschino cherry.
Ooh, this sounds promising.
It does. So you also need your shaker with ice, and your vessel of choice. You know what I'm saying? So with that, oh yeah, and your stir. Need that guy.
Big Daddy Long. Mine is bigger than yours. I have the granddaddies of all granddaddies.
I just feel like at any moment she's about to stab me with the pointy end of that. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say about that.
Good chill.
So anyway, oh wait, I forgot. You already tasted the gin.
Yes, ma'am.
I have not.
I think you'll quite enjoy it. But, you know, me and you are totally different.
Right. Oh, I like that sound. Boop. I'm just saying, you know, this little. Oh.
How was it?
Oh, that's good. That's unexpected. So it's definitely, you know, what am I thinking? It's floral. There's some gins that are not as botanical.
Okay, yeah.
And more dry, like
More
Bombay.
dry. Yeah.
And this is not that. So I like that. Oh, 92 proof. Oh, so that's gonna send you to heaven. You have too many.
But you didn't feel it.
That's the problem.
So that means when he calls you home.
So proceed with what he called.
You will go in peace.
Oh wow.
It is so smooth.
In your sleep. Okay. Listen. So proceed with caution, but it is very tasty. So I do not think you will be disappointed at all.
No ma'am, no sir.
I'm gonna get me one of these too. Yes,
I might go get the whole collection.
I'm gonna get the collection.
Oh. In the upper room.
Hey yo, I'm dead.
Hello.
Wait. I said I'm dead. Okay, I gotta stop. Let me go. Oh God.
Not before though. At least you'll go in peace.
And you go in peace.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hey, there you go. Ooh, child. Let's go ahead. There's 1.5 ounces of this.
So I have a small cat. So I'm thinking this is ½ ounce. So I'm gonna do 1.5. So I'm gonna do 3 of these.
Basically what happened is she did not read her manual, and so she has no idea what the measurement of that cap is.
I go through shakers like seasons.
I mean, yeah, I'm about to try a different one soon myself. So, you know, listen, your shaker is your weapon of choice, okay? It gotta be premium, and sometimes you gotta get right here.
No, I'm looking to see
What?
how if I did some damage in my shaker with this amount.
Oh, got you.
If I fall on the floor after we drink this, just know that
Oh,
I
Lord.
put extras in here. But go ahead.
I guess pass me the sweet vermouth. We'll do that next.
Vermouth. I heard you had some trouble getting that.
Let me tell the little story, okay? We both put in orders for Total Wine because it's our fave. It's our fave store.
Yeah. So convenient.
And so it was in my cart, okay? And when I went to the next day to like purchase the items in my cart, it said change to items in cart. This no longer available. First of all, I'm sitting here like, well, what dry heifer done stole my sweet vermouth, okay?
Like they said, gotta be quicker than that.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
Mind you, our orders were placed within hours of each other. I can't
Well,
stand
if
her,
you ain't
bro.
first, you last.
Man.
Ricky Bobby, number 1, shake and bake.
Lord, she over here.
How much is this?
3/4 ounce.
3/4.
3/4 ounce. Oh, sorry, 1 ounce. I lied. 1 ounce. 1 ounce. 1 ounce. The green chartreuse is 3/4 ounce. My bad. I can't, numbers was blended together.
I'm trusting you. Trusting in you.
Just pass me the green chartreuse. It's fine. It's an innocent, like, mistake. Okay.
One mistake can do so many different things. Get you so many different places.
You gonna be all right. You gonna be all right. Okay, 3/4 ounce of this guy.
3/4. I don't know whatever the ancestors just told me.
It's liquor math. We doing liquor math over here.
Pull it up.
And then 2 dashes of our orange bitters.
I like the droplets.
Me too, isn't it cute?
I mean,
sorry, I didn't want it to spill, and that's why I was like, oh, I kind of handed it to you like loose. I was like, oh, oops. But, oh.
my bad.
No, we're gonna stir this. We're gonna stir.
Stir.
So we're gonna stir this until chilled. It's fine.
For the churn.
Yeah.
The churn.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I think I did my measurements right because mine's looking like yours now.
Yeah, that looked better.
That look better.
And there is literally 2 cherries left, child.
Oh, the pickings are slim.
Well, we use this appropriately. Use it all up.
Well, it's 3. Woo, child.
It's 3?
What's your prescription on your glasses?
Shut the hell up, bitch. Listen, it looked like 2. It looked like 2. Where's the 3rd? Son of a bitch. It is. I thought it was just a stem, y'all. My bad.
Amber's eye doctor, if you're watching. You gotta call her on Monday. Yeah.
Anywho, let's taste this.
Bijou.
Yeah, the Bijou. Okay.
Bijou, it is good. Ooh. I like this. Catoctin, you have not started me wrong yet.
This
Like,
is,
we family at this point.
Oh, that's hitting. Go ahead, girl. You got, why am I doing a little disco dance? Child. Let me wipe this. My glass said, hey, to the moonwalk just now.
Remember how we said you might be going to heaven? She might be close there already. What's up with the he? You saw Michael?
I didn't see him personally. I mean, I'm just.
Which out. Anyway, I like this Catoctin. This is definitely another recommendation that you did not miss on. I am going to give this a solid 10. I like it. I can taste my liquor. Also, at the same token, I had that little sweet taste to it as well, thanks to the green chartreuse and the sweet vermouth. So the gin is a hit once again. So 10-10 for me across the board.
We're in total agreement. This is a 10. This is delicious. I need this gin like meow, okay? It is a grown taste, okay? So this is for my grown people, okay? Not the little childish peoples, okay, out here that don't have a palate worthy of such greatness.
Sophisticated.
Yes. Mm-hmm. And so I love this. This is really good. Same points. It has a little bit of sweetness from the green chartreuse, but you are definitely tasting that gin, okay? You taste it, and it is really good. I have no complaints.
No.
I have none.
No.
Other than
Not
I
at
can't
all.
lift my glass without it. I should have put some salt down, child. You know the trick where you put salt down and it like prevents your glass from sticking to the...
Never heard of that.
Look it up. It's a thing.
It's like, why does everybody older than me tell me to Google stuff? Like, just tell me.
So again, so I see what's not changed from 2023 is the shade about the age difference. Okay, it's only a few years between us, and yet, I feel like she shades me every chance she gets.
You done?
I might be.
The older you get, the more you ramble on.
Shut the up. Wasn't you just jipping and jiving last year?
First of all, it was the season. The spirits was within me.
She went and got
Don't
jolly
judge
as
me.
fuck. She got jolly as fuck, and now here we are.
La 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 la, and a new year to me. Thank you.
Okay. All
Like
right.
I said, what Big Worm said, that ain't got nothing to do with me. 2024, all mood. Yeah.
All right. Fact.
Anyways, but Catoctin, I will definitely be purchasing and having the whole spread in
We
my
need
cabinet
everything.
for sure.
I needed the hot honey. We need to find a recipe with the hot honey.
And listen, the recommendations, I don't know if it's the recommendations that you're giving us or it's your brand that's actually making it so good. I don't care.
It don't
I like
matter.
it.
It's
It don't
delicious.
matter. I'm getting the whole
It's
spread.
hitting.
I'm sold. So thank you to
Catoctin Creek. Thank you to Avalon for these recommendations. Please look more in the description. Check out the link. You need the whole spread in your cabinet, okay? Just respectfully, you need the whole spread, okay? So you know what it is. Like, comment, subscribe, okay? Don't forget to ring that bell. Can you ring my bell? Ring my bell.
hey, get Catoctin.
Yeah. We'll be back, y'all. Hey, oh my God, I can't.